The win for medical marijuana in Missouri could create some problems if you cross over the state line into Kansas.
41 Action News reporter Stephen Dial talked with prosecutors about the rules people need to follow.
Many of us cross the state line multiple times a day. But what happens if you live in Missouri, have medical marijuana, and now you're in Kansas?
We are a metropolitan area with hundreds of thousands of people crossing back and forth across the state line. So it's definitely something that we're going to have to address.
Voters in Missouri spoke loudly at the polls, and medical marijuana is now legal in the state. It doesn't become legal until December 6th, and you must have a prescription to use it. The state health department says applications for patient IDs have to be made available by next June. So what if you are legally prescribed marijuana and you drive into Johnson or Wyandotte counties? Will you get arrested?
Technically under the law, yes.
Steve Howe is the Johnson County District Attorney.
The Attorney General and the prosecutors and law enforcement will get together to try to determine what is the appropriate way for us to respond.
Since the passage of the law, we talked to people who could benefit, like Todd Scatini. He served in the Army for 27 years.
I would use medical cannabis probably on a daily basis to treat a lot of things that come out of service to the nation. Chronic pain is certainly one of them.
On the legal side of things, Howe says a lot needs to be discussed among law enforcement and the state attorney general.
Are there constraints put in place in that Missouri law to make sure that that person not only has the authority to have the marijuana, but also that they're doing it lawfully? And that means not being under the influence while they're driving around the metropolitan area.
On the Missouri side, the application for a patient ID must have a doctor's certification that's less than 30 days old. The state health department says they must accept potential patient applications by the first week of July. Reporting, Stephen Dial, 41 Action News.